So, sir, as you know, there are a lot of people who cannot afford expensive surgeries, and you know, the doctors who charge very less money or they treat patients for free, they are not that good. So I know someone in Pakistan who gets help from Jinn doctors, and he charges very less money, and he has treated patients who have very big illnesses and they couldn't get healed from anywhere else, and they got healed from there. And he deals with Jinn doctors. Okay, so he gives Taweez, and it has numbers on it, and he says that the numbers are actually Quran.
Muhammad, tell me, is dealing with the Jinn and believing in Taweez shirk or not? Yes or no?
I mean, how is
yes or no?
No, it is not shirk in my opinion.
Okay, this is very good. Jazakallah khair. I heard your question. Akhi, your opinion does not matter, because we base our belief not on opinions. We base our beliefs on the Quran and the Sunnah, and anyone who reads the Quran will find Allah Azza wa Jal scolding the Jinn and the humans on the Day of Judgment, and he's telling them, how could you collaborate and work with one another and take one another as allies? And this is shirk. And all scholars say that seeking the assistance of the Jinn and seeking their help is shirk. And logically, the companions, the greatest of all humans who had walked the earth after the prophets, may Allah be pleased with them all, none of them had a Jinn assisting him to work or to fight or to do whatever. So, subhanallah, why would this Jinn come to your friend who's a Jinn doctor and he cures people miraculously? If he does not worship them, sacrifices for them, does shirk to them, believing him takes you out of the fold of Islam, even if you pray 5 times a day. If you believe, if you trust, if you deal with them, you are out of the fold of Islam. You're not a Muslim anymore. So my friend, when you say, I believe it's not haram, this by itself is a big problem, and you have to rectify it and fix it before you meet your maker and find the consequences.